Waking up with jaw pain or headaches. You might be grinding your teeth at night. This condition is called bruxism, and many people don't even realize they're doing it. Teeth grinding is often caused by stress, anxiety, sleep problems, or even an uneven bite. Over time, it can wear down your teeth, cause sensitivity, and lead to serious jaw issues. Start by noticing the signs: sore jaw, morning headaches, or flattened teeth. Try reducing stress before bed with deep breathing or relaxation techniques. But the most important step: get clarity on what's really happening. Don't ignore the damage. Download DentaSmart today, track your symptoms, and walk into your dentist appointment informed and confident. Take control of your oral health now. DentaSmart, your personal AI oral health guide.